Even us adults need to work on that.
The grudges should not be allowed whatsoever.
Yeah.
Just hit it in the head right when it happens and move on. And dinner table is a great place to do it. And really just protect the family energy by saying no to unhealthy patterns.
That's right.
When you see something that's not right, it's okay to say no.
Yeah. And when you weave in these habits together, the ritual dinners, the shared adventures, the gratitude, empathy, and resilience, you don't just change the evenings, you change the entire atmosphere of your home.
I agree with you.
Yeah.
It definitely has, we were intentional about it, and our home atmosphere is amazing. It feels good.
Yeah, it
I mean,
does.
our family, your family will feel safer, we feel more connected, more joyful. And those moments at the table become the foundation for memories that truly last. I know our kids are going to take it on to their families.
Yeah, and it's not going to happen overnight, but you just have to be consistent with it.
Here are the 3 takeaways from today's video episode. 1, families drift apart when small habits are ignored.
2, connections grow through rituals, gratitude, listening, and shared experiences.
And resilience and joy come when families practice forgiveness and laughter together.
Here's the thing. These habits only work if you have the energy to live them out. Otherwise, it's too easy to collapse on the sofa, scroll your phone, and let another day just go by.
It happens so much because the hardworking parents are out there. You come home and just want to crash. But that's why we created the 5-day shortcut to all-day energy. And it helps hardworking parents rebuild the physical and emotional energy they need to show up for their family. Not half present, but fully engaged. So join us through the link below and start transforming your energy and your home.
Yeah, and while you're here, hit the subscribe button.